Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and permanently delete your Telegram account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. As you can see, I have the application open, but however, you can't do it from an application and you need to do it from a browser. So simply go to any browser that you want and head into mytelegram.org/delete, just like that. And once you've done that, make sure that you go ahead and search for it. And it's going to take a little bit of time, as you can see. And finally, once you head into the account, simply enter your phone number with your country code, sign in with the code sent to the app, then select delete account, provide a reason, and confirm the deletion twice. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.